everyone. Today was my Navodaya entrance exam class 6 2021. As I have given the exam, question was not too hard. It was from my side, it was totally easy. And today I am going to tell you that how to solve Navodaya question paper. So this is my question paper. Here instructions are given for general candidates. Time would be maximum 2 hours and maximum marks would be 100 and question would be 80. And there would be 3 sections. One is mental ability of 40 questions and arithmetic means math of 20 questions and language would be of 20 questions. And no negative marking will be done. So this is first section of mental ability test. This is question number 1. Here it is written in question number 1 to 4. Here it is 1 to 4. It is given 4 figures have been given in each question. Of these 4 figures, 3 figures are similar in some way and 1 figure is different. Select the figure which is different. Darken the circle for the answer in OMR sheet against the number corresponding to the question. So it is saying that here are 4 figures as you can see, and from these 4 figures 1 figure is different. So we have to find which figure is different. So here is first question is here is 3, here is also 3, here is 4 and here is also 4, and here is 2 and here is also 2, but here is 3 and here is 4. So our C will be the odd one. Second question is here is given P, Q, R, S and here is also given P, Q, R, S. Here is also given P, Q, R, S and here is also given P, Q, R, S. But here it is repeating here, Q is repeating here and here is also repeating then. And here she would repeat here now, but it has not repeated. Then C will be the answer. And third question is here is one triangle which is open. One angle of that is open and here also one angle is open and here also one angle is open. But here 2 angles are open. So here will be the odd one. Fourth one is here is 3 words given TIC. We have to find that which is odd. So here is TIC. Here is also TIC. Here is TIC also, here it is, but in this TEC is there, so it will be the odd one. Our second question is in question number 5 to 8. Here 5 to 8 is given. A question figure is given on the left side and 4 figures are marked are given on the right side. Select the answer figure which is exactly the same as the question figure and darken the circle in the OMR sheet against the number corresponding to the question. Here it is given one figure and from these 4 figures this is similar. Okay, we have to find which is similar to this. Okay, so here is cross cross. We have to find that where it is cross cross like this. Only here it is cross cross, so we can say it is the answer. Here is one circle which has been done plus inside them and here it is a square which has been done a cross in that. So we have to find where it is plus and cross. So here it is plus and cross is here. So C would be the answer. Now here it is one dot. So 3 dots are there. B would not be because here A, C and D have dots. Now we have to see that where is this 2. We have this 2, A will be not. C is there, but D is also there. And we have to find this how this is. Now this D only would have C. Now this is similar, then D will be the answer. Here it is plus minus minus plus. Plus minus minus plus. Here C would be the answer. Third question in question number, there is question figure on the left side, a part of which is missing. Observe the answer figure on the right side and find out the answer which without changing the direction fits in the missing part of our question figure in order to complete the pattern in question figure. Indicate your answer by darkening the circle in the OMR sheet against the answer corresponding to the question. here it is saying that here 3 would be given and here 1 would be missing. So we have to find that which part of it will be fit here. So here is it is repeating, so means we have to find here multiply, plus, minus and divide again. So in this plus, minus and here divide is also there, so it would not be the answer. Plus multiply, plus, minus, divide, so it would be the answer as it is fitting like this only. Multiply, plus, minus, divide, so B will be the answer. Now here it is that we have to find one missing number here, so we have to see that what would fit. So here 1 would be like this, we have to fit like this. So which one is fitting? So B1 is fitting here, so B would be the answer. Now here would be the missing, we have to make, means one figure would be like this, then it would be the answer. So here it is like this only, 1, so C would be the answer. And here we have to make this aeroplane it is doing, so here would be the D1 would be the answer. Now our fourth question is, in question number 13 to 16, as you can see, there are 3 question figures on the left side and the space for the fourth figure is left blank. The question figures are in a series. Find out the figure from among the answer figures given on the right side which occupies the blank space for the fourth figure on the left side and complete the series. It is saying that here figure is given and we have to make a series, okay? Here it is a dot, then here it is coming, and here it is coming, then here it is coming. That means in this part this will come and in this 3 will be the dot. So it would make like this, then here, then dot, dot. So it is making in B. So B would be the answer. Now here cross is going up and here is dot 1 coming down and again cross is coming down. So means here would be the dot 1 be coming here. So B1 is coming. Here is triangle which has come here. Now here it is coming. Then again this one is coming here. Then here it is coming. And here it is coming, then here. Then means this figure would be the answer. So where it is coming? In B1 it is coming. So B would be the answer. Now 16.1 is 1, it is going like that. Now it is going like that and now it is going like that. So means in upper side will be go. So here it is making D1. So D would be the answer. Now fifth question is, in question number 17 to 20, there are 2 sets of 2 question figures each. The second set has an integration mark. There it is exists a relationship between the first 2 question figures. Similar relationship would exist between the third and the fourth question figure. Select one of the answer figure which replaces the mark of integration. So here it is saying that here it is repeating. Now we have to repeat in this also. So here it is going like that. So it is 2 line is there, then it is making 2 line here like this, and here now it is making dot. Because here is circle, then inside also it is making circle, but here is square. So here is 2 line, then we will make like that. Most of the student will do this, but this is not the right answer. The answer will be square. Here is square because here is circle, then here it is making circle. Here is square, then here it will make the square. So C is the answer. Now here is star, in between you can see here is hexagon, then now here is hexagon. Now here is triangle and you can see the triangle is up going. So B would be the answer. Here is B, then it is doing mirror image, okay, like B and B. So here is E, then it would also make mirror image. So A you can see. This question here it is saying that one square is there. It is a dimension of diamond, and the upside is going downside, and downside is coming upside, and the right side is going left side, and the left side is going right side. Here you can see. Now this we have to also do. Then this figure would be the answer. So we can see that it is coming this C1. So C would be the answer. So our sixth question is in question number 21 to 24. One part of a geometrical figure, triangle, square, circle is on the left side as question figure, and the other one is among the four answer figures. On the right side, find the figure on the right side that completes the geometrical figure and darken the circle in OMR answer sheet against the number corresponding to the question. So here it is saying one part of this is missing, like this you can see. I have shaded with the pencil for doing the trick, okay. So I have shaded, as you can see, D1 would be the answer. Here you can see shaded part. Here it is also B, and here it is D. 7th question is in question number 21 to 28. There is question figure on the left side and 4 answer figure marked are given on the right side. Select the answer figure which is exactly the mirror image of the question figure. Here it is saying that here xy is there. It is saying that if we will do here, then what we will come. So here x, so here it would come. So here and here. So it is coming in A1. So A would be the answer, and in 26 it is coming C1. No, D1 is coming. So D would be the answer. In bend, A1 is coming, and here it is coming in C. Our 8th question is in question number 29 to 32. A piece of paper is folded and punch has shown in the question figures on the left side, and 4 answer figure marked A, B, C and D are given on the right side. Select the answer figure which indicates how the paper will appear when opened and folded. Indicate your answer by darkening the circle in OMR answer sheet. So it is saying that here dotted lines are, it means that here paper is folded, and if we will cut, then what will open and which figure will be made. In this you have to imagine that what would be there. So if we will open, then here also will become here it is also become this, and after that here it is that. So here it is also coming here and here, and it will repeat after this also. So means C1 is the right answer. After that here would, if here is a square, then it here means square would be here, and after that here it would make a rectangle, because here square is there, and if it will be open, then it will make a rectangle. So C1 is the answer, and here you can see it is easy. So here it is this side is coming, so means this one, A1 is the answer. And if we will open a circle, then here also will be circle, here also will be the circle, and here also will be the circle. So it means B1. Question number 9, it is saying in question number 33 to 36, a question figure is given on the left side and 4 answer figure marked A, B, C and D are given on the right side. Select the answer figure which can be formed from the cut pieces are given in the question figure. So it is saying that here some figures are given. It is saying that from these figures only which figure would be made it. So here you can see there is pentagon. So here it is, you can see two pentagons are also there, and these 2 triangles are also there. So A would be the answer. Here in 34 one triangle is given, and here also triangle is given, this one, and square is given. So here also A1, and here also A would be the answer, and in this B would be the answer. question is in question number 37 to 40. A question figure is given on the left side and 4 answer figure marked A, B, C and D are given on the right side. Select the answer figure in which the question figure is hidden, embedded. Darken the circle in OMR answer sheet. Here it is saying that one figure is given and it is saying in which figure in this it is hidden. So here you can see I have marked it. B would be the answer. Here you can see that this is only coming. So A would be the answer. Here I have also marked A and here also A. So this is the second session of math. Arithmetic test you can also say. For every question 4 probable answers has A, B, C and D are given. Only one out of this is correct. Choose the correct answer and darken the circle in OMR sheet against the number corresponding to the question. So first question is 2,02,000 in digit is written as 20,000. So here you can see here is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakhs. So 2 lakh and 22,000. So C would be the answer. The difference between the smallest 6-digit number and the greatest 4-digit number is, here 6-digit smallest number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is 6 smallest digit number and greatest 4-digit number. So if we will minus, then it would come 9, 0, 0. So it would come C1. And here 9 would be the answer, and in 44, 17 would be the answer. Here we have to, what is the sum of first 4 prime numbers? So first 4 prime number is 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. So 17 would become. So 17 is the answer. And the decimal equivalent of 12 1 upon 16 is 12, 0, 6 to 5. Which number is a multiple of all the 3 numbers 4, 8 and 6? So 696 is the answer. And what is the largest number which divides 270 and 426, leaving remainder 6 in each case? So here would be 12. The sum of 7.7, 7.07, 7.007 and 77.0077 is 98.7847. And here would be the answer 50. And here 6 hours 15 minutes. So 51 is 3 minutes and 52 is 70 and an article is passage for. So here it is 12% C and here it is 30 and here it is 520. Sorry, it's 821 would be there. And here it would be 10% and here would be 27% and 27 centimeter and here would be 1.54. A cricketer has an average of, so here would be the 24 only. And in a school there are number of boys would be 800, 1200, 1200. So our third session is language test. In this we have to read this passage and answer these questions from this passage only. So I already have read, so I know the answer. You can skip the video and see also what is the question. The word excited means. So excited means very happy. Deepak and his cousins enjoyed the picnic. Deepak went on a picnic with his uncles and cousins. The picnic spot was in a village. Uncle showed Deepak how rice is grown. And here's passage number 2. I have also read. Tug of war is a game. A tug of war we do rope pulling. The end of the rope is held by the strongest member of the team. The team which is pulled across the line in the middle is the loser. The word untied means together. Passage 3 is, I have also read. How can we remain healthy? So we can remain healthy by eating a balanced diet and doing exercise. What do we have to eat more to lose weight? Fruits and vegetables. What do we have to drink in plenty to remain healthier? Water. Which is a good exercise for all? Walking and cycling. Which word is opposite in meaning to the word active? So dull. And passage number 4 I have also read. Autumn occurs between summer and winter. Which of the following changes may occur during autumn? Days become shorter. Leaves turn pale during autumn because they don't get enough light. What do animals begin to do to prepare for the end of autumn? Store food. Another word for blanketed is covered with. So this was my question paper which I have showed to you all, and paper was so easy. I hope good marks will only come. I have not showed mathematics solution because video was getting longer, and I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video please give me lots of blessings for having good marks. Bye. Thanks for watching.